Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my video, welcome, and please consider subscribing, like this video and share it with your friends. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always being here. So today we are going to make homemade fries. Of course, I started by peeling the potatoes, whatever. And then this is how I was slicing them. This was a time lapse of me slicing the potatoes. Those are all the peeled potatoes. That was my oil heating up, and ignore the color of that oil. Just ignore the color of that oil. I don't know if it's the chicken. I had fried some chicken before this, and I don't know what happened to the oil, so ignore the color of that oil. It's not transformer oil. But the chips came out clean despite the color of the oil, so don't judge the oil. So here I left them to fry for like 10 minutes, but I was still checking if they are ready. And guys, kindly comment on the comment section. Have I said section on other kind of videos you'd like to see on this channel. You know that your chips are ready when if you toast them like that, they sound like dried maize. That's when you know your chips are ready, or your fries, whatever you want to call them. Then you can eat them like that with just some salt, but for a better taste I'll show you my chips spice. You add some salt, some paprika for the color, and some white pepper. If you'd like, you can add onion powder, but just salt, paprika and white pepper works well. You just have to toast the chips in the mixture so that the spice can spread evenly. So that's it for this week's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.